Scott over Arthur Trovey & Sons. Thanks for hanging out with us for a minute. 2017 Freightliner tandem axle sleeper truck for you. Detroit horsepower under the hood. Detroit auto shift behind it. 12 speed. 450, 525 on the horsepower. Let's take a quick walk around, see what we got going on. Cab and body on this side looking pretty good. Frame's looking pretty good. APU unit on this one is not working. Looks like your back tires have some life left in them. Airbags holding air, mud flaps present, air slide fifth wheel. Looks like you got dual fuel tanks on this piece. This is a post-emissions truck, so it does have a DEF system on it. Air ride seat for you. Working AC in this particular unit. Regional style sleeper. Looks like all the lights on it are okay. Washers, wiper, city horn okay. No ABS light on, no check engine light on. Again, 2017 Freightliner tandem axle sleeper tractor for you. Come on by here, Arthur Trovey & Sons. Check this one out. We got a lot more coming online real soon for you. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the thumbs up button, hit the bell, get all the notifications, and then get on Trovey.com. It's the best place to shop. Again, a lot of these coming online. Come visit us. It's our favorite.